Okay, guys, well, I'm putting groceries up and I heard this thunk. I mean, just a little thunk. And I'm looking around, can't find out what's going on. And then I come over here to go back out downstairs to get something, and my light has fallen out of the ceiling. So I got on the ladder, crawled up here, and it looks like the only thing that was holding the stupid light up is this one screw on that piece of plastic. So, well, I'm guessing I need to turn the light off and at least take the light fixture off. And I don't know, I guess it's time to call the plumber to come finish that toilet and to fix my stinking light. Because, I mean, look at all this, how they rigged it. I mean, it's just wires twisted together. There's none of that, like, black tape that you're supposed to have on there and stuff that I see, but I don't know what to do with it. But, oh, dear Lord. Anyway, well, at least it didn't fall. So let me see if I can't, at least get the glass thing off of it so it won't be so heavy dangling. Oh, dear Lord. Anyway. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, so, well, happy Monday. Bye, guys.